G'day, I'm McGlashan for Club Marine TV. Now, a great day on the water can be spoiled at the boat ramp. Boat ramp etiquette is essential for a good day on the water. There are a number of things. Now, you can have the nervous new boaties. You can have those that are ill-prepared. You can have screaming kids and those that are inconsiderate. And of course, the onlookers. There's always the onlookers. So the informal rules and boat ramp etiquette apply above any legislation. It's about being courteous and just having good manners. And most importantly, don't be afraid to help someone else out. Give them a hand. So remember the 3 C's: courtesy, care, and common sense. So now it's all about preparation. Before you even leave home, before you even get down here to the boat ramp, you've already checked all your safety gear. You've checked your fuel. You've filled the boat up, obviously. You've turned your batteries on and made sure they're charged up. That's before you even get down here. Once you get the boat ramp, you don't go and charge straight into the boat ramp itself. You pull up out of the way because there's a few chores you need to do to make sure it all runs smoothly. Now, tie down straps. Make sure they come off. Make sure your engine's unlocked so you can use the tilt and trim. And most importantly, and this is the golden rule, put the bungs in. And if you need a bow rope, just remember to tie it on. Now, we're ready to launch, so let's join the queue. Move your vehicle into the line, waiting to launch. Life jackets handy, affixed to kids. If you're launching in the dark, ensure your lights are on low beam, maybe even just use your parking lights on the ramp, otherwise you can blind those around you. When your turn arrives, move to the ramp and reverse the trailer into the water. Disconnect the safety chain and disconnect the winch brake. Under control, push the vessel into the water using the bow rope to maintain the control. Move to the side of the ramp or jetty if one is available. Alternately, if the driver is aboard, lower the engine, remembering to be careful not to lower it too far to avoid striking the ramp. Start the engine and after being pushed off the trailer, manoeuvre away from the ramp to your pickup point. Alright, the boat's in, so now it's time to park the car. Once the vessel is clear of the trailer, immediately move your vehicle into a designated car park area. Remember to secure your vehicle and never leave valuables inside. Secure the winch handle. So when it comes to retrieving your boat, remember, take it slow and just go with the flow. Chances are you had a blast on the water. By the end of the day, you're tired. But guess what? Everyone else is too. Be patient and work with everyone else to help load boats onto trailers or guide them into the slips. Don't let a bad attitude ruin some good memories. Be conscious of noise. This includes kids, dogs, stereos, and over-revving engines. To retrieve, simply apply the launch principles in reverse. Before moving your vehicle, always check to ensure the trailer hasn't been tampered with and that it is properly secured to your vehicle. Make sure the winch rope is played out sufficiently to reach the vessel winch eye and have the winch handle close by. Position your vehicle and trailer ready to retrieve the boat. Stand clear while the vessel is driven onto the trailer. Winch the vessel into position and secure the winch brake. Connect the safety chain, tow the vessel to a safe area away from the ramp, ensuring you don't impede the traffic flow. Re-secure the tie-down straps and all the safety equipment. Raise the motor and apply the lockdown or leg support. Turn off any master switch and or radios. If your ramp provides washdown facilities, it is recommended that you flush your engine and wash the trailer running gear. Remember that others will wish to use the facilities and you should be quick as possible. Also, remember that the water is a precious commodity and you should always use it sparingly. Once you've washed your vessel, move away from the cleaning boat. When you get home, always remember to check your safety equipment and give it a good clean before storing, ready for the next trip. Be aware of nighttime hours. For people sleeping at the marina, noise late at night will be an annoyance. If you're coming in late, kill your louder equipment, radio, generator, etc. before you hit the no-wake zone as a courtesy. Don't have your lights on high beam, as it will shine into other users' eyes. And whenever you're at the boat ramp, remember the 3 C's: care, courtesy, and common sense.